Hello Eileen。
係啊，hello ma'am。
Hello，你喺香港照顧乜嘢啊？
照顧 BB。
照顧 BB 啊
Yeah.
？OK， 照顧 BB， 你識唔識去買餸啊？有冇試過去買餸啊？
係。
有去買餸啊？
有。
自己去買定係同僱主去買啊？你自己去買定係同 Madam 去買啊？You go with Madam or you
with Madam with Popo。
Okay.
Yeah.
How about cooking?
Cooking together with Popo。
Together with Popo.
Yeah.
So your main duty 照顧 BB 係咪啊？
照顧 BB 整乾淨 clean。
整乾淨屋企。
Yeah.
OK 好。你喺Middle East 幾多年啊？Middle Dubai。
Dubai I working in the Dubai 4 years ma'am。
4年。
Yeah.
OK。
4 years I take care 公公。
公公，你識唔識幫公公 change diapers, shower?
公公 healthy ma'am。
Healthy.
Yeah, he shower alone.
But later if you need to take shower and change diapers for 公公, is it okay?
Okay.
Oh, okay, very good. How about in Malaysia? What did you do?
In Malaysia, I'm working in Malaysia 3 years ma'am.
3 years.
Yeah.
What did you take care?
I take care children. I take care children ma'am.
Okay. Take care children. How old?
整乾淨10 years。
10歲，
Yeah.
小朋友10歲啊？
Yeah.
你識唔識煮飯啊？每日？
Yeah, do fun with ma'am。
煮飯 with ma'am. How
Yeah.
about Dubai? Do you need to cook?
Cooking Malaysia。
Cooking Malaysia.
Yeah.
In Malaysia, you cooking Malaysia food.
Yeah,
But
Malaysia food.
do you know how to cook?
I know ma'am。
Okay. Can you stand up, have a look? Okay. 件衫亂咗。Okay， 轉個圈。Okay。可唔可以睇下啲手？show。OK，唔該晒，唔該晒姐姐，拜拜。
拜拜。